So what are we cooking today, Teta?
We're cooking rice pudding this morning, and you call it in Arabic Roz Bel Laban.
Roz Bel Laban. Is that right?
Laban.
Laban. Okay. Alright. So what do we need?
We're gonna need a casserole. Need some rice.
Long rice or short rice?
No, sure. Whatever is what you have.
Okay.
But that's better.
Okay, short rice better. And how much is that?
About 2 cups rice.
2.5? Cold water?
Yeah, cold water. When I wash it.
And then pour it out.
Yeah.
Okay, and now
Put the half the thing. Half the thing.
half of that one. Okay.
That's
Enough?
enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Put in the sauce.
Ooh. High or?
Yeah, that's alright because you have to boil it.
Okay.
You need about between 30 minutes or 35 minutes to cook. Have a big spoon. You need to stir it every about 5 minutes when you start.
Okay.
You have to stir it 5 minutes to suck all the water.
Okay. And is there any special occasion that we cook this rice pudding?
Just like a sweet. If you have no fruit, no sweet after lunch or dinner, you can make it roast Bel Laban.
Roz Bel Laban.
Yeah, Roz Bel Laban.
Roz Bel Laban.
No, Rose.
Rose?
No, not Rose. Rose.
Roz.
Bel Laban. Rose.
Roz.
Yeah.
Bel Laban.
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 Yeah.
Roz Bel Laban.
Some
So
people
Roz
Australian.
is rice.
Yeah.
Bel Laban is sweet.
It's milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
Milk. Okay. So milk, rice. Rice and milk. Roz Bel Laban.
Okay, you sit for a while and have to come back.
Hello? Who is this? Hey, how are you? Good, thank you for our gifts. Tessa just gave it to us.
Wow!
No, it's so lovely, thank you. Hey, look, can I get Tessa to call you back in just a moment? We've just got a little bit of a kitchen emergency. Okay, thanks, bye.
Interlude.
How do you say it in Arabic?
Roz Bel Laban.
Bel Laban.
Bel Laban. Roz Bel Laban.
Faster.
Roz Bel Laban. Roz Bel Laban.
Bel Laban.
Bel Laban.
No, Bel Laban.
Bel Laban. Bel Laban. Bel Laban. Roz Bel Laban. Roz Bel Laban.
Close enough.
You mixed up.
I mixed it up and it's very gooey. Is that what it's meant to be?
I think you need some more water.
More water. So what's the consistency we're looking for?
What is it?
What is the texture that we're looking for?
Which one?
The
Look like no, that's half cooked.
Only
Not
half.
yet.
Ooh! Busy phone call today.
Right.
Busy woman.
Hello.
Morning, beautiful.
Good morning, Odette.
Kassab time.
Sorry?
And Kassab time in the beginning.
4 o'clock I wake up. I took 2 tablets and I wake up 8 o'clock I get another 2 tablets.
Mum, you're interrupting a film set.
Stop it. Stop it, James. You son.
Hey, Ma. Good. We're filming a cooking show today, Teta's Kitchen. We're making Roz Bel Laban.
Bel Laban.
Blarban. What was that?
Roz Bel Laban.
Bel Laban. Bel Laban.
Alright, Mom. You're busy, so I will leave you with them.
All right.
And Jonathan,
Yeah.
there's a big bag there at Teta's place. It's a present from Madrid for your wedding.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I just thought, nah, I'm not going to take it. You got to carry it home.
Thank you. We'll take it home.
Good girl. All right, Mom. You have an amazing day, Habibi.
Thank you.
And enjoy your time with those two.
I try my best.
And any of them that upset you, you tell me, and I'm going to kill them.
Nobody can upset me except you.
All right, babe.
All right,
Have a
bye,
nice
Ode.
day.
Bye.
Bye, Habibi.
That's your mom.
Yep, our mum. I wonder if we're going to have any more phone calls today.
With some more water.
We had 3 phone calls. It's nice to stick at the bottom.
Some more water, not stuck. When you put some water, never stuck.
You know, this is the same as congee. Yeah, do you know congee, Teta?
What's
Congee is like a Chinese dish where we boil the rice like this, and we boil it to broken, and then it becomes rice porridge. Rice
we
pudding.
do it with a rice powder, not rice.
Rice pelt?
Yeah, powder.
Powder, rice powder. Oh. Yeah, and it's a savoury dish, so you can add meat, or you can add vegetables, you can add some sort of sauce, and it's really good. But we only put a small cup of rice instead of like 2 cups of rice. Then it becomes very thick.
If you not want them stuck, put
Yeah.
this under it.
Oh, I need to buy one of those. It's so good.
When I think it's hot, and then put it down back.
Mm-hmm.
Taste it. It's not cooked yet.
And then it'll be good.
Yeah. See, can you see it? And have the milk, please.
Milk.
We need at least half.
Half of this?
Yeah.
Do you want me to pour it now?
Yeah. That's enough done now. When you put the milk, you can lift it. You have to stay here.
Yeah.
Because sometimes boiling and go everywhere. You know what I do? Just move it down there because you're not stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Just gently, very gently. Especially the big, you're going to scratch it.
Yeah.
Scratch it, put it in the bin.
Scratch and put it in the bin.
Yeah, this one is a scratch. You have to put it in.
You know, my mum, she puts like a soup spoon at the bottom of the pot. So
Yeah, because you see that when you finish the water comes with it.
yeah, it
Yeah.
doesn't stick.
We do that with the couscous.
You do too? What's
With the
couscous?
couscous.
Couscous.
Couscous, you know the couscous.
Oh, couscous.
I make
Oh.
it in the zero.
Oh, you make couscous from zero?
Yeah.
Really?
But it's plenty work.
Oh, would it take a whole day?
It depends on how much you do it. Take all day for 2 kilos if you want to do it.
Or could people replace full cream milk with soy milk or
Yeah.
other kind of milk?
Yeah, soon she can't eat
Yeah.
food. She eats salt.
So soy milk can work as well, yeah?
Yeah.
How cooked do you want it?
No,
A bit more?
crunchy. Yeah. Not cooked.
Still crunchy. Oh, you want more softer?
Can I have the cream, please?
Yeah. Cream. What?
All over.
All of it?
Yeah.
Should I put some milk in there to rinse it out?
Yeah. Just not much, please.
Okay. Making use of every single cream from this container. Don't waste anything. That's enough?
Some more.
More?
It's enough.
Smells good. How can I
You
make
have
it
to do
like...
it quickly like that.
Oh, okay.
Because if you left it, it's stuck all together.
Oh, okay, okay.
The coconut look like a candle. Stuck. See?
So bad for those who are lactose intolerant.
الحب اللي في قلوبنا الناس فاكرينه ايه ده شاغل
Some people like eat it when hot like that. Like me.
You like what?
When I switch up, after stay, I never taste it.
Oh, you don't like it when it's cooled down?
Yeah. Alright. Switch off now. We can't leave it now here because the hot stove with the junction.
Yeah.
If you left it, you got more cooking.
Oh, you want me to lift over to the other side?
See that?
Yeah. So what makes it sweet?
Oh, it's sugar.
Oh, one whole big hand. Second big hand. There's always...
If you want more, you eat with the new plate.
Can you replace sugar with something else? Like honey?
No, you never taste nice. Alright, taste it please.
Yes. Now it's like...
Enough like that? One more?
Like
If you want more, put a new plate.
Perfect. Perfect.
Put the spoon like that, put the lid like that for about 10 minutes. And they're really done, finished now. You can eat.
ناري واخلص منه
Oh, it's very white.
Yeah.
It's very thick. There's a word in Chinese called "nao," which is like which is very like thick and gluggy. Like you can only have very little of it. You can't have too much of it.
Okay. You want to sit in the table, we'll put sultan on top of it.
Get my
تعالي هنا نرجع. Let's put some sultan there. Actually, I like this sultan. Okay.
Do you put cinnamon in there?
You want some?
I don't want to change dish.
No, if you want to tell
It just feels like it needs. Oh, lucky lass. So I don't want to change the flavour. Let me taste it first and then
Okay.
I'll add it.
نهار الشوق وليله ويا حرته وآه يا ويله نهار الشوق وليله
I'll add it. Sweet with the sultana.
My grandkids love this Roz Bel Laban. All the time ask me for it.
Yeah.
And I do it all the time when you come in. Don't like it.
ما يحبش مرتين ما يحبش مرتين
Finish. You have to
No.
finish it.